come back to you. We'll come back to you, Sanjeevi, but right now we are getting some more breaking inputs where Republic TV has accessed details of the Congress's manifesto. Now you have sources saying telling us that the Congress party aims to scrap the sedition law. Now the sedition law, that is a law that has been going on since British times. You have probably in the manifesto that the Congress party will be building. Now you have the sedition law might be scrapped. Anuj is joining us with more information. Anuj, what is the latest that you're hearing? What exactly is there in the Congress party manifesto, and especially when it comes to the sedition law?
Well, actually, this is something what is big breaking and coming in from the top sources of the Congress. The Congress party is now to remove sedition law in their manifesto. And that is what we have been told by that Congress party is totally into something to remove the sedition law, and this clearly shows the mindset and the strategy and the things which Congress holds. Actually, Congress is planning to remove a sedition law. This clearly make clear the mindset of the Congress party that what exactly their planning is to. They are going to give favors to the people who being charged by the sedition. Is it something that they are going to favor Kanhaiya Kumar? Is it something they are going to favor numbers of people who have been charged by sedition? So this is something what we are learning from the top sources, that Congress this time to woo the voter, to attract the voters, is now going to back Tukle Tukle.
And basically, Anuj, if we understand, this is following how you have the Congress party trying to please those who have been accused of sedition, especially talking about the Tukre Tukre gang, and how exactly the matter right now that is being heard in court, and that continues to be pending on part of Delhi government as well. So we know how they are playing in the hands of a very, very dangerous situation there, where people who are raising anti-India slogans and the kind of support that they are receiving from political parties, especially Congress. Anuj.
Well, actually, their Congress party is exposed today, and the mindset and strategy is clear of the Congress party. Because yes, we are seeing how Congress party is backing Tukle Tukle gang. Yes, we are seeing how Congress party is backing Kanhaiya Kumar and the people who were making anti-India slogans in Jawaharlal Nehru University. So there, now Congress itself make it very much clear and official. I say that they are planning to remove this sedition law. So to back Tukle Tukle gang, to back these anti-India Indians who raise